Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your wishlist on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select a product from this section that you can go to by clicking on the shop icon down below, which is the first one. Then at the top you can see there are a bunch of categories that you can choose from below the search bar. After that you should scroll down and see that there are a vast variety of subcategories, so click on the one that interests you. After that you should select a product that you would like to add to your wish list. All you have to do is clicking on the heart icon next to the add to bag option down below, and now this product has been added to your wish list, that you can check by going back to the previous page by clicking on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And again, then you should click on this heart icon at the top of the screen. Now this is called your wish list, and as you can see there's only one item added to it. You can find similar items by clicking on the find similar button, and you can also get rid of it by swiping to the left side of the screen till this delete option appears to you or pops up. Then tap on it and click on the button delete, thereby removing this item from your list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.